Hello friends. Welcome back to this channel. In this session, we are going to discuss Amazon SageMaker. In today's session, first, we will see, what is SageMaker? Then I am going to show you how it works. So without any further ado, let's get start the session. So first of all, let's see, what SageMaker is. Amazon SageMaker is a managed service in the Amazon Web Services public cloud. It provides the tools to build, train and deploy machine learning models for predictive analytics applications. The platform automates the tedious work of building a production-ready artificial intelligence pipeline. Deploying machine learning models is challenging, even for experienced application developers. Amazon SageMaker aims to simplify the process. It uses common algorithms and other tools to accelerate the machine learning process. Now let's see, how does Amazon SageMaker work? So here, as you can see, I have logged into my AWS Management Console. So, first, let's search for SageMaker. Click on it. Here is the home page of Amazon SageMaker. Here you will find that SageMaker covers the entire machine learning workflow. Starting from labeling the data, you can actually outsource labeling and basically labelers all over the world to label your data. The next one, once you do that, then you will able to actually create a notebook instance and you will be able to leverage a lot of readily made available notebook for you. And once you do that, then you will be able to train and tune the model at any scale. And once the model is trained, and everything is good, then you will able to take that model and just create an endpoint to make inferences. So you will be able to invoke that endpoint and anyone can literally go ahead and make predictions based on this endpoint. You can also you can buy any readily available model for you from AWS Marketplace, which is pretty amazing feature to have. So let's start with a couple of features here. Again, I will not be able to go through all of them. Again, there are tons of ins and outs in it. Let's start with this basic one, a labeling job. So here, you can go ahead and create a labeling job. Here you can simply give a name to the job. Here you can specify the source of your data in S3, and you can specify the location here. Then you can specify the IAM role, which is simply the level of access that you want to give to SageMaker. And then here you can specify the task category. Let's say I want to label image. I want to label text. Want to label video. Even we can use custom label also. And then you can go here, and you can specify what type of labeling job you want to perform. You can select image classification for single label. For multi-label, you can select bounding box to draw bounding box. You can even do semantic segmentation, in which you actually go there and perform pixel level segmentation of the scene, and that would be very useful for self-driving cars, for example. And you can also do label verification, simply to ask workers to verify existing labels in your data set as well. So after you said that, you can just say, next. And you can simply afterwards go ahead and leverage Mechanical Turk to do labeling course to kickstart a labeling job for you. Again, I'm not gonna be showing exactly all the details of how to create the labeling job. I just want to show you from a very high level what's happening within SageMaker. Now here we can go ahead to my notebook instances, and here I can simply create a notebook instance. Here let's click on Create Notebook Instance. Here you can specify a name. Let's say, SageMaker, Demo. And then you can go here, and select what type of instance you are looking for. Let's go with the basic. Here you can provide the permission and encryption. Here you need to specify the IAM role to your notebook instance. And then you can simply say, Create Notebook Instance. Here you will find the notebook instance is being created for you. Now it shows status as pending. So it'll take little bit of time to actually being available. But once it's available, then you will be able to go ahead and kickstart a Jupyter notebook in there. So you'll be able to write Python code, you'll be able to upload your data, you'll be able to do whatever you want. Everything again is leveraged in the cloud, which is pretty amazing. Now if we go here, within the training, you can check out your training job. You can go ahead and create a training job. Here you can specify the job name. You can give it any name. Here you can specify the IAM role. And then here, you would able to use and leverage Amazon SageMaker built-in algorithm. Here you can actually go here and select the algorithm. Let's say I wanted to select XGBoost algorithm. I wanted to select object detection algorithm. So all these algorithms are already created for you. You just need to use them and tune them accordingly. Now once you do that, you need to specify the network. Again, you don't worry about all these details. Here you just need to specify the training channel, like where you are going to store the data. And after the model is basically being trained, all the trained model artifacts will be placed in S3 as well. So that will be the output data configuration for you here. And here you can also do spot training, just to optimize on the money that you will be spending to train it. And then you can simply go ahead and say create training job that will take of it for you. So let's go back. Now what you could do as well as after the model is trained, you can go here and say I want to check out my endpoint configurations. So you can go here, say I want to create an endpoint. Click on create endpoint configuration. So here you can simply specify the name. Specify the type of endpoint. And then you can simply create an endpoint configuration, and that's it. And afterward, as well, you can also do Augmented AI, which is kind of a way of augmenting human reviewers to review the performance of the model. We are not going to covering Augmented AI in this session, but again it is a pretty cool feature that offered by AWS. And there is also AWS Marketplace. So if you click on all products, you would be able to literally just use trained models that other people done for you. So here you can say, I want to leverage face and license plate anonymizer, what's like an algorithm already been trained to detection and blurring of faces and license plate. You can just say, view product. And that will take you here, and you would be able to simply check out the pricing information, like they will charge you per hour. And you'll be able to go ahead and even like have a free trial as well if you want to check out the model for 5 days for example. Alright, so let's go back to our notebook instances. So if you guys remember we started one, and now it shows in service. You can go ahead, and click on Open Jupyter. And here we go, here I have my Jupyter notebook. So here I will be able to upload any job, upload the data as well to my instance. So here I can say click on upload, and I will be able to upload my instance. Another cool feature is, if you go here you will find there are SageMaker examples, and you will find that there are tons of example available for you, such as if you want to leverage for example Linear Learner, or XGBoost. Here you can simply click on preview. And here you will find here a ton of examples of codes for you available. And you know like all the different basically the stages, including training the model, including the hyperparameters optimization, and how to host the model and create endpoints as well. So guys, this is how AWS SageMaker at very high level works and what are the different elements or key features within it. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.